At this time, we're going to interrupt our usual order of service. We have a special, in lieu of the regular message, we have a different message coming from Chris and Mickey. And you may have noticed in the back, there are some tables set up. And I'll let them explain it when the time comes. But for now, we are moving through what would be the part of the service that follows the message. So if you would take your gifts and offerings and your spirit, sometimes if you don't have anything other than your blessing, and that is a huge, it's not an offer, because whatever it is you hold in your heart, you can put your hand over the offering basket, and that is a prayer of gratitude. So, prayer. Okay. We'll invite Claire's music and then dinner.
We are so grateful for these resources, for the abundance that flows through this church, both financially, but effort, the resources of the volunteers, and how it flows back to us. So let us say together the part that we would have said.
Divine love, moving in and through me, blesses and multiplies all that I do, all that I am, all that I give, all that I receive. Thank you, God. That's great. Just occurred to me that that's a lovely thought to carry through each day. All right, so now I'm going to introduce Nikki and Esau. You see, we want to do the whole thing. Okay. Esau. All right, Esau.
I'm confused. So we're doing everything in reverse today.
Okay, and at the conclusion of that, we always say the prayer that's written on the back wall. Maybe you can follow along by reading it there. Here we go.
This is like circle back a bit, so you can put that last one. Okay. The love of God controls us. The power of God protects us. The presence of God watches over us. Wherever we are, God is, and all is well. Yeah. All right.
So if you take your seats.
There's a church on the us.
I know, but I'm not kidding. I didn't want to. I don't think you use the mic to explain. Okay, Chris and Nikki have been our stalwart youth education ministers. And I say ministers because they really influence our children. And they have a special activity for them today based on the 12 hours. This program that they often always use, actually, not often always use when they work with children. Thank you, Chris.
Well, thank you all so much for being here and being such good sports. We can't things up. We're just going to find a place at the table as best we can, full of extra chairs, need some extra packets. And the packets are going to be covering all the 12 hours that Charles Fillmore will go out in his 12 hours a man. So we will explain that when we get seated and start our activities, and we have handouts for you to take home. And then hopefully there will be time for snackage and decorating your Halloween bags and putting your names on the most important thing, and filling them with goodies, and then leaving aside for the congregation meeting efforts. So if that makes sense to everybody?
Yeah.
Okay.